7 reasons you should drink a cup of dandelion tea every day. Native to Europe, dandelions crossed the Atlantic with European immigrants 4 centuries ago, and they have taken over millions of backyards since then. But this bane of many landscapers' existences is bursting with health benefits for those enlightened enough to eat it. In fact, dandelions were prized for their medicinal properties over 1,000 years ago. Their roots and leaves contain significant amounts of vitamins and trace minerals, making them a proven way to boost your nutrient levels and restore health to your body. Today this garden weed is getting rediscovered, and dandelion tea is fast becoming a favorite way to detoxify your body, reduce bloating and constipation, soothe an upset stomach and even lower your risk of disease. What is dandelion tea? As the name implies, dandelion tea is made from infusing dandelion roots, leaves, or blossoms in hot water to release their beneficial compounds into it. Your tea will vary in flavor and nutritional value depending on the portion of the plant you use. For example, dandelion root tends to be best for treating liver ailments, the leaves work for the kidneys, and the flowers offer the most subtle flavor and benefits. 7 health benefits of drinking dandelion tea. If you can get your taste buds past the slightly bitter flavor, you'll open your body up to a world of benefits by sipping on dandelion tea. 1. Good source of nutrients. Infusing dandelion greens in water fills the brew with calcium, iron, potassium, vitamins K, A, and B6, as well as riboflavin and thiamine. You'll also get a boost of antioxidant flavonoids like carotene and lutein. Better yet, you can eat the leaves themselves. Ounce for ounce, they have higher nutritional value than both spinach and broccoli. 2. Keep diabetes in check. Studies show that sipping on dandelion tea can lower your blood sugar levels, which is critical for keeping diabetes in check. Though the research is still underway to determine the long-term benefits for diabetic patients, these initial results are promising. 3. Caffeine-free coffee alternative. Sick of seeking out coffee at every lull in your day? Roasted dandelion root tea offers a satisfying, caffeine-free alternative that looks and tastes similar to the real thing. You'll get a powerful boost of antioxidants and minerals without the inevitable energy crash that comes with coffee. 4. Reduces inflammation. Chronic inflammation can cause a host of unwanted health symptoms, including aching joints, muscle tenderness, and even headaches. Dandelion tea's antioxidants work as anti-inflammatory agents to reduce pain and swelling in infected tissue to keep you comfortable. 5. Reduces water weight. Tired of feeling bloated? Dandelion tea acts as a natural diuretic that can increase your urination frequency so that you lose some of your water content. One study showed that 2 1-cup servings were all it took to get the participants' systems flowing faster. 6. Helps you lose weight. Evidence from a Korean study shows that dandelions might be as effective as the weight loss drug Orlistat. How does it accomplish this? Dandelion leaves can naturally inhibit pancreatic lipase, which is an enzyme your body releases during digestion that puts your dietary fat into long-term storage in your body. This means that the brew can help prevent your body from clinging to fat so that you can lose it faster. 7. Prevents chronic diseases. Thanks to the potent blend of antioxidants that it contains, a cup of dandelion tea can help your body fight off free radicals, which minimizes oxidative stress that can lead to cancer and other chronic diseases. Likewise, these antioxidants help strengthen your immune system to reduce your risk of contracting an infection.